പോയിടാം നാം യേശുവിനായി സാക്ഷികളായിടാം. പോയിടാം നാം.
Joshua chapter 4. 12 stones set up at Gilgal. When the entire nation had finished crossing over the Jordan, the Lord said to Joshua, "Select the 12 men from the people, one from each tribe, and command them, take 12 stones from here out of the middle of the Jordan, from the place where the priest's feet stood, and carry them over with you, and lay them down in the place where you camp tonight." Then Joshua surmounted the 12 men from the Israelites, who had appointed one from each tribe. Joshua said them, "Pass on before the ark of the Lord your God into the middle of the Jordan, and each of you take up a stone on his shoulder, one for each of the tribe of the Israelites, so that this may be the sign among you. When your children ask in time to come, 'What do those stones mean to you?' then you shall tell them that the water of the Jordan were cut off in the front of the ark of the covenant of the Lord. When it was crossed over the Jordan, the water of the Jordan were cut off, so that these stones shall be the Israelites a memory forever." The Israelites did as Joshua commanded. They took up 12 stones out of the middle of the Jordan, according to the number of the tribes of the Israelites, as the Lord told to Joshua, carried them over with them to the place where they camped, and laid them down there. Joshua set up 12 stones in the middle of Jordan, in the place where the feet of the priest bearing the ark of the covenant had stood, and they were there to the day. The priest who bore the ark remained standing in the middle of the Jordan until everything was finished. The Lord commanded Joshua to tell the people, according to all that Moses had commanded Joshua. The people crossed over in haste. As soon as all the people had finished crossing over the ark of the Lord, and the priest crossed over in front of the people, the Reubenites, the Gadians, and the half tribe of Manasseh crossed over before the Israelites, as Moshe had ordered them. About 40,000 arms for war crossed over before the Lord to the plains of Jericho for battle. On the day the Lord exiled Joshua in the sight of all the Israelites, and took him away of him, as they had stood of Moses all the days of his life. The Lord said to Joshua, "Command the priests who bear the ark of covenant to come up out of the Jordan." Joshua therefore commanded the priest, "Come up out of the Jordan." And when the priest bearing the ark of covenant of the Lord came up from the middle of the Jordan, and the soles of the priest's feet touched dry ground, the water of the Jordan returned to the place and overflowed in its bank as before. The people came up out of the Jordan on the 10th day of the first month, and they camped in Gilgal, on the east border of Jericho. Those 12 stones which they had taken out of the Jordan, Joshua set up in Gilgal, saying to the Israelites, "When your children ask their parents in time to come, 'What do these stones mean?' then you shall tell to their children, 'No, Israelites crossed over the Jordan here on the dry ground. For the Lord your God dried up the waters of the Jordan for you until you cross over, as the Lord your God did to the Red Sea, which he had dried for us until we cross over, so that all the people on the earth may know that the hand of the Lord is mighty, and so that you may fear the Lord your God forever." This is the word of the Lord.
പോയിടാം നാം